Dennis bought this super clean 2018 Vette last September, and he had big plans. He wanted street manners and a 9.6 quarter-mile. The foundation he wanted was the CNC precision machined Borowski LT4 short block. That came with Callies crank and rods, diamond LT2K pistons with coated skirts, and P1 main studs. Lingenfelter Peformance took over from there, adding a Magnuson 2650 supercharger. Dennis's target was 930 on pump gas. .960 horsepower and 876 torque. That works. Engine install looks great. Chassis dyno for QC check. Final touches on the tune. All good on the chassis dyno. Next up, Durana Dragway, Milan, Michigan. $949. How about that? Way to go, Dennis. Give us a call if you need an awesome LT. From CNC ported heads to complete engines at all power levels. Borowski Race Engines, 815-725-2727.